Hi, good morning. It's Jon Hammond from the CryptoMetal Market Report, and it's Monday the 26th of October. Okay, let's get straight to it. We're going to look at Bitcoin initially. Bitcoin is, after last week's short-term high, it actually, at the weekend, popped slightly above that at 13,356. It's kind of consolidated, although we're up a bit today currently. Volumes are a lot lower than they were last week, but that's probably going to change in the fullness of time. We expect a bit of profit taking, possibly heading down to the sort of support area around 12,000 sort of 200 area. But depending on where the monies are coming in, we could see this push on a bit further. There's quite a bit of resistance actually around 13.8. If we look at the hourly chart now, you can kind of see the consolidation sideways movement, a bit of a sell-off after it touched 13,350, and it's trying to head back up there. So let's see if it's going to push on. I actually did a report the weekend on Weekend Wonderings, looking at the potential price action for Bitcoin based on the last two previous bull markets. So if you're interested in wanting to know what price will be early next year into the summer, it's quite an interesting technical analysis. I'm still wondering about the price there. It's pretty exciting. Moving on to gold. Gold's still looking for direction, still in this kind of wedge formation, this triangle formation. It's touched both the top and the bottom a few times. Looking volume wise, not a lot of volume coming through. RSI still pretty much flat. The MACD has picked up a bit today, is a bit more positive, so we'll see how that goes on the hourly charts. On the daily, we are slightly up, and I think, again, still quite negative, but we've bounced off the bottom of this wedge, so we'll wait and see where things go. It's still looking for direction, and I guess the kind of political environment is probably where we're at. The stimulus bill, I doubt anything's going to happen until after the election. Depending on who wins that, it may even delay it till January. So we could be in this consolidation phase for several weeks, with very broad COVID news sort of dictating where the broader markets are going, and potentially the dollar, and obviously it'll have an impact on the metals at some point, although the dollar is a lagging indicator. Silver, exactly the same as gold, really, not much to say. Volumes are so low compared to where they were during the bull run, but again, it's waiting for direction. Copper, we've had a sort of a high and a retracement with profit taking, and it looks like it's heading down to kind of the resistance area, around the 65 level. But yeah, we'll wait and see where that's going to end up. We've got the quite a distance from the 200-day, so it's still quite positive for copper. Nickel, again, similar story. It's taking profits there, still in its channel, probably heading down to the lower aspect of the rising channel here, so still in a rising trend overall. And zinc, pretty similar as well. It's come off the resistance, which just tipped into their really previous sort of highs we can see in the past. It's kind of finding a level and it's bouncing off there. So we'll see if it forms new support. We could have a look at a Fibonacci retracement on this one actually, and see where we're going on that. Okay, so we've got nearly a 23.6 retracement. So if it's in a bull market, I'd expect a 38.2 as a minimum, possibly 50% before it headed higher. But we'll see what happens. Possibly a bit more selling to do there before it moves around. And that's the metals and Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll catch up again soon. At CryptoMetalResearch.com, we have a number of services to educate and inform you on how to benefit from the financial reset in this massive bull market. We fully expect our portfolio to return multiple double digits in the huge financial reset we're going through. The risks are high, but so are the returns for those with industry connections. We have years of trading experience to support you during your journey. Our services include CryptoMetal Premier, a full done-for-you service for the time poor who see the massive potential of having your assets realigned to benefit from the next big investment boom. We do everything for you so you can sit back, relax and watch your assets appreciate. CryptoMetal Partner, a done-with-you educational service for those who want to be involved and learn how to benefit from this massive opportunity and receive signals of when to get in and out of your positions to maximise your profits. CryptoMetal Portfolio, a do-it-yourself solution so you can learn and apply the portfolio to your investments directly without any support or assistance. CryptoMetal Pulse, a signal service direct to your inbox as and when the market dictates, combining decades of technical analysis trading within your broader CryptoMetal portfolio. CryptoMetal Personal, a virtual one-to-one for those who want to know more, want to discuss their personal situation and investigate what CryptoMetalResearch.com's investor education can do for you and your financial wealth.